How to hide your followers or following list on Instagram. Follow these simple steps to keep your followers and following lists private on Instagram. Step 1. Make your account. Private, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon, bottom right corner. Tap on the menu, 3 lines, in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings at the bottom. Choose Privacy. At the top, toggle the Private Account option to switch your account from public to private. Once your account is private, only your followers can view your followers and following lists. Non-followers won't have access to these lists. Step 2. Remove specific followers. If you want to hide your followers or following list from specific people, go to your followers list. Find the person you want to hide your list from. Tap Remove to delete them from your followers. Once removed, they will no longer see your followers or following list. Even if they visit your profile, they won't have access to these details. You can also remove people from your following list if needed. By following these steps, you can enhance your privacy and control who can see your followers and following lists on Instagram.